I want you to stay with me and be with
Can
me
I go
always.
get my sunglasses at least?
It's only going to be for a minute.
It hurts my eyes.
It doesn't hurt your eyes.
Yes, it does.
Here, put your... There.
How's that going to hurt?
We've got mail, honey.
Are you recording?
I am recording. We've got mail. Who's it from?
I have no idea. Oh. Here, we'll have the blind guy read.
It's from Bushcraft family.
Oh, okay.
We won. I won. You didn't win. I won.
I never win.
I won on his, I think it was his, I don't remember if it was his 10,000 subscriber giveaway or his 5,000 subscriber giveaway. But we won.
That's great. You won, but you don't know why.
I won for something. I don't care why. And I actually know what's in this. But do you want to guess?
No, it's not ticking. We're okay. Is it? Uh-oh, it rattled.
He made this himself.
What, the tin box?
Yeah.
He good.
And what's in the tin box?
Oh.
So what this is, let's see if Dave can guess when he looks at it.
Well, when did he get that out of his garden? I have no idea.
You have no idea?
Oh, it's starter.
It's starter.
It's
a fire starting kit.
Fire starting kit.
So we'll have to look at his video to see how to use it, but I think that you strike these two things together. I think probably on this.
A little kindling and everything.
And there's kindling and string.
What's the string for?
I don't know. We'll have to, maybe it's to tie this onto something. I think you do this. No, we'll have to watch. We'll have to watch his video now on how to start fires.
You know, I really hate to say you should not have sent the one with the saw blade. Sorry, there should have been something, or else, because she gonna hurt herself. I know it. Yep, I'll have to take it out and grind it down so you don't hurt yourself.
I think you need the saw blade.
You do?
So you can make the spark.
Really?
Yeah.
Nothing sparks.
It's not sparking, Charles. What are we doing wrong?
Yeah.
Well, what we'll do is we'll put this with our emergency bug out bag.
Well, first
we got to figure out how to use it. But I don't want to waste this lovely sawdust that's already this whole little fire starting kit. I don't want to waste it at home where we have fire starter. I want to save it for an emergency.
Well, this is an emergency. Yeah, this is when we run out of the 500 lighters we got.
We run out of the 500 lighters we got.
But thanks, Charles. I mean, it's a good backup. As soon as we
figure out how we figure out how to use it.
Dude, how come you didn't put no instructions in there?
Yeah, dude.
Dude, sorry, I'm old school.
Thank you,
yeah.
Charles. This is fabulous. I love these little kits. Is that pine?
No, I don't think so. It's wood.
It's wood. You're brilliant, honey. Tell Charles that you're going to do his book challenge soon.
Book challenge?
Yes. Don't forget to put this in there.
I want him to send instructions.
You want him to send instructions, Charles? We need instructions. I think he has a video on how to use it. He had a video on how to make it. So maybe he shows how to use it in there. So anyway, I'll link to Charles, to Bushcraft family, down below. He has a lot of fabulous information on survival and preparation and tips on how to use all kinds of things. And market evaluations, just all kinds of stuff.
Market.
Yeah, like food market,
Oh.
what's going on, what kind of
Thought
shortages
maybe
there are.
I thought maybe it was a stock trader
No.
or something. Market.
Not a stock trader.
Oh, okay.
So say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Ring the bell.
Oh, you and your stupid bell. Why do you, I don't understand that whole bell thing.
Subscribe. Ring the bell for notifications if you haven't already. That way you'll never miss one of these exciting videos that we put out.
Oh yeah, this is
From
exciting.
Lorrie's
It's
world.
exciting. I'm so excited. Look at me, how excited I
Look
am.
at how excited he is. He loves YouTube.
Yeah.
Say goodbye, honey.
Bye, honey.
Goodbye, everybody. We'll see you soon.
Bye.